Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, has asked the people of Bayelsa State to vote for their state governor and PDP flag bearer, Senator Douye Diri, in the November 11, 2023 governorship election. Governor Oborevwori described Governor Diri as a true servant leader who has dedicated his entire political career to the development of Bayelsa State in particular and the Niger Delta in general. He said Governor Diri truly deserves a second term as governor of Bayelsa State, having positively transformed Bayelsa State in the last 3.5 years.
As the November 11 governorship election in Bayelsa draws close and electioneering takes center stage across the state, Governor of Delta State Sheriff Oborevwori is calling on both indigents and residents of Bayelsa State to make the rewarding choice of re-electing the candidate of People's Democratic Party, PDP, and the incumbent governor, Senator Douye Diri, in the coming election. Governor Oborevwori, who was in Yenegua, Bayelsa State capital, recently to commission several projects executed by Senator Diri to improve the lives of Bayelsans, said, Senator Diri is a servant leader who has demonstrated commitment to the growth and development of the state in the past 3 years, and he is deserving of the support of all and sundry for another term as governor of Bayelsa State.
In appearance, words, and indeed, Governor Diri is the perfect picture of a servant leader. You are humble, you are straightforward, you are loyal and dependable, and passionate about improving the lot of Bayelsans. Since assuming office, has prioritized the security of the state, infrastructural development, and the creation of an enabling environment for business to thrive.
The project commissioned include Etegwe Bridge, an upgrade of Etegwe Edepie Tombia roundabout and Agilobi Road, as well as campaign secretariat of a Diri support group. Traditional ruler of Etegwe community, Gad Ile, while expressing the gratitude of the people of the community, assured Governor Diri of their continued support for his administration.
Every good work deserves reward. Commissioning a bridge that has been suffering our people for so long, today we are seeing it as if it is not a problem before. We want to say thank you. Whatever that is coming on the elections, the people of Etegwe are standing behind you.
Senator Diri's led prosperity government in Bayelsa State has in the past 3.5 years recorded appreciable achievements in infrastructure development, health, education and agricultural sectors, as well as in human capital development and empowerment programs. With still much to be done, Senator Diri is hoping that Bayelsans will take stock of his impressive performance and give him another chance to consolidate on the gains made so far.
Inside the Niger Delta,